Okay, welcome to I Square Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually mean mastery. Now, before us is another question under integration, where we are going to be applying the short method or the short way of analyzing it. Now, solution. Yes, solution. Now we have integral cos 8x dx. So this will be you integrate cos 8x, and when you integrate cos, it gives you sine. So when you integrate cos 8x, it gives you sine 8x. Then you multiply it by 1 all over the derivative of this function. And when you differentiate 8x, it gives 8. Then plus constant. So it means the whole of this will be 1 all over 8 sine 8x plus constant. Here they gave us option. We have 1 all over 8 sine 8x plus c. We have 1 all over 8 sine 8x. Now, without going further, this is the correct option. So here, this is the short form of analyzing that. Thank you for listening.